Dear student, welcome to EPG Pathshala. Today I am going to present my module soil pollution. Soil pollution is defined as the build-up in soil of persistent toxic compounds, chemicals, salt, radioactive materials or disease causing agent which have adverse effect on plant growth and animal health. A soil pollutant is another factor which deteriorates the quality, texture and mineral contents of the soil or which disturb the biological of the organisms in soil. However, soil being the universal sink bear the greatest burden of environmental pollution. Different contaminants vary in their tendency to firstly end up in the water held in the soil or in the underground lying water by leaching through the soil. Secondly, volatile or evaporates into the air. Lastly, it may bind tightly to the soil. Soil is always responding to changes in the environmental factors along with influence of man and land use. Some changes in the soil will be of short duration and reversible, others will be permanent features of the soil. Soil response to environment or pollutant depends on soil structure, geochemical parameters, soil water interactions, etc. Pollution of soil is associated with indiscriminate use of fertilizers, pesticides, insecticides and herbicides, dumping of large quantities of solid waste, deforestation and soil erosion may be another factors. Direct discharge of industrial waste to the soil, leaching of waste from in landfills, etc. Once contaminants are in the soil, their fate, where they will go or how quickly they travel, depends upon various properties of the soil. There are different causes of soil pollution and types of soil pollutions. Soil pollution may be any chemical or contaminants that harm living organisms, pollutant decrease soil quality and also disturb the soil's natural composition, and it also leads to erosion of soil. Types of soil pollution can be distinguished by the source of contaminant and its effect on the ecosystem. Types of soil pollution may be agriculture pollution, industrial waste and urban activities. First, agriculture pollution. Agriculture processes contribute to soil pollution. Fertilizers increases crop yield, but causes pollution that impacts soil quality. Pesticide also harms plant and animals by contaminating the soil. These chemicals get deep inside the soil and poison the ground water system also. Runoff of these chemicals by rain irrigation also contaminate the local water system and is deposited at other locations. Another source, industrial waste. About 90% of oil pollution is caused by industrial waste products. Improper disposal of waste contaminates the soil with harmful chemicals. These pollutants affect plants and animal species and the local water supplies and drinking water too. Toxic fumes from the regulated landfills contain chemicals that can fall back to the earth in the form of acid rains and can damage the soil profile. Urban activities, human activities can also lead to soil pollution directly or indirectly. Improper drainage and increased runoff contaminants the nearby land areas or stream. Improper disposal of trash breaks down into the soil and it deposits in a number of chemical and pollutants into the soil. These may again seep into groundwater or may wash away in the local water system, contaminating our water system. Excess waste deposition increases the presence of bacteria in the soil. Decomposition by the bacteria generates methane gas, contributing to global warming and poor air quality. It also creates foul odor and can impact quality of life. Now, the causes of soil pollution. Industrial activity. Industrial activity has been the biggest contributor to the problem in the last century. especially since the amount of mining and manufacturing has increased. Most industries are dependent on extracting minerals from the earth, whether it is iron ore or coal. The byproducts are contaminated and they are not disposed of in a manner that can be considered safe. As a result, the industrial waste lingers in the soil surface for a longer time and make it unsuitable for use. Another cause, agricultural activities. Chemical utilization has gone up tremendously since technology provides us with modern pesticides and fertilizers, no doubt, but they are full of chemicals that are not produced in nature and cannot be broken down by the microorganisms in the soil. As a result, they seep into the groundwater, they mix with water and slowly reduces the fertility of soil also. Other chemicals damage the composition of soil and make it easier to erode by water and air, having effect on the soil profile system. Plants absorb many of these pesticides and when they decompose, they cause soil pollution since they become a part of land again. Uses of pesticides in agriculture retain chemicals in the environment for long time. These chemicals also affect beneficial organisms like our earthworm in the soil and leads to the poor soil quality. The diagram shows the pesticide pattern on soil pollution, that is 65% waste disposal. Finally, a growing cause of concern is how we dispose of our waste. While industrial waste is sure to cause contamination, there is another way in which we are adding to the pollution. Every human produces a certain amount of personal waste products by way of urine and feces. While much of it moves into the sewer system, there is also a large amount that is dumped directly into landfill in the form of even the sewer system ends at the landfill where the biological waste pollutes the soil and water. This is because our bodies are full of toxins and chemicals which are now seeping into the land causing pollution of soil. Accidental oil spill may also be one of the cause of soil pollution. Oil leakage can happen during storage and transport of these chemicals. This can be seen at most of the fuel stations. The chemical present in the fuel deteriorates the quality of soil and make them unsuitable for cultivation. These chemicals can enter into the groundwater through infiltration of the soil and makes the water unpotable for drinking purpose. Acid rain is also another caused ban. Pollutant present in the air mix up with the rain and fall back onto the ground. The polluted water could dissolve away some of the important nutrients from the soil and changes the soil structure and property of the soil. Radioactive pollutants also causes soil pollution resulting from explosion of nuclear testing laboratories and industries giving rise to nuclear dust. Radioactive waste penetrates directly into the soil and may accumulates in the soil giving rise to soil or land pollution. Radionuclides, for example, like radium, uranium, thorium are commonly found in soil, rock, water and air. Explosion of hydrogen weapons and cosmic radiations include neutron proton reactions by which nitrogen and 15 produce this C14. This C14 participate in carbon metabolism of plants which is then into animals and human beings pass on. Nuclear reactors produce waste containing ruthenium 106, iodine 131, barium 140, cesium 144 and lanthanum 140 along with primary nuclides SR90 with a half life 28 years and CS 137 with a half life of 30 years, which means that they will remain in the life for such a long period of time. While getting deposited into the soil, they will be held firmly with the soil particles by electrostatic forces causing soil pollution. All the radionuclides deposited on the soil emit gamma radiations also. Now, effect of soil pollution. Soil pollution, once the soil get polluted, it may have its effect on plants, humans, animals, etc. effect on health of humans. Considering how soil is the region we are able to sustain ourselves, the contamination of it has major consequences on our health. Crops and plants grown on polluted soil absorb much of pollution and then passes these on to us through food chain. This could explain the sudden surge in small and terminal illnesses faced by the human beings. Long term exposure to soil can affect the genetic makeup of the body, causing congenital illness and chronic health problems too that cannot be cured easily. In fact, it can sicken the livestock to a considerable extent and cause food poisoning over a long period of time. The soil pollution can even lead to widespread famines if the plants are unable to grow in it. Effect on the growth of plants. The ecological balance of any system gets affected due to the widespread contamination of the soil. Most plants are unable to adapt when the chemistry of soil changes so radically or rapidly in a short period of time. Fungi and bacteria found the soil that bind it together begins to decline, which creates an additional problem of soil erosion by losing the soil aggregation property of soil. The fertility slowly diminishes, making land unsuitable for agriculture and any local vegetation to survive. The soil pollution causes large tracts of land to become hazardous to health. Unlike desert like condition prevails, which are suitable for its native vegetation, such land cannot support most forms of the life. Decreased soil fertility. The toxic chemicals present in the soil can decrease the soil fertility and therefore decrease the soil yield. The contaminated soil is then used to produce fruits and vegetables which lack quality nutrients and may contain some poisonous substance to cause serious health problems in the people consuming them. Toxic dust. The emission of toxic and foul gases from landfill pollutes the environment and causes serious effect on the health of some people. The unpleasant smell causes inconvenience to other people. Further changes in soil structure may also occur. The death of many soil organisms in the soil can lead to the alteration in the soil structure. Apart from that, it could also force other predators to move to other places in search of food, altogether changing the structure of soil. To conclude my lecture on soil pollution, I must say that soil pollution is a result of many activities and experiments done by mankind, which ultimately ends up in contaminated soil. Soil being a universal skin bears the greatest burden of environmental pollution. Enormous quantities of waste being generated by human activities pollutes the soil. Other sources like polluted water, mismanagement in agriculture practices, inappropriate method of disposal of solid waste, liquid waste. Sometimes soil pollution may be due to atmospheric pollution also, and in industrialized country it is mainly due to the use of chemicals in agriculture. Soil pollution is the reduction in the productivity of the soil due to the presence of the soil pollutants. Soil pollutants have an adverse effect on the physical, chemical and biological properties of the soil and reduce its productivity. Productive soil also are necessary for agriculture to supply the world with sufficient food. Now, there is an urgent need for ecological risk assessment of contaminated soil, because soil not only reflects natural process, but also record human activities both at the present and the past. In order to preserve the fertility and the productivity of the soil, control measures are to be taken so as to improve the health of all living things.